Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to sell on eBay. So let's get started. First of all, you have to link your PayPal to your eBay account to start buying and selling. Now, first log in into your eBay account at ebay.com by entering your email and password. And now from above here, click the tab and then click account settings. After that, from the account tab, click on the link my pay, click on the PayPal account button. After that, click on the link my PayPal account button, and then here fill in your PayPal login details, and then click login. So a new window will appear. Now click on return to eBay. Now go back to your PayPal account, and underneath the payment section, click on the PayPal account button. Now you may need to verify. So if below the verify your PayPal account button, you'll click on become verified. After that, you can now buy items and pay for listings and receive money. So before listing an item, make sure you're logged into your eBay account, and now from the top right corner, click on the sell button. And then now you have to list an item. So for listing the item, after clicking the list an item button, this page will open. Now here type in a description of your product and then click go. So you'll see a list of similar items on eBay. Choose the one you want and then click sell one like this. Now you can also type in a title for your listing and then click find this. So if you don't want to choose a similar item, type in a title for your listing and eBay will show you the top keywords for your product. Now click on an option and then go. After that, select the one that makes the most sense for your item and click create listing button. And now fill the information as much as you can about the product here. You can upload photos of your product. Below the listing details section, you'll find where to fill in details, auction, shipping, and optional features. You can leave your listing at any time and go back later to add more information. Scroll to the bottom and click save for later. After clicking save for later, eBay will save it as a draft, and now you have to click listed button to list your product. And now to list your product as a buy it now item instead of bidding it, so under the selling details, scroll down on this page and now on the selling details section next to format, select fixed price from the drop down and choose when you want to start the listing here. After that, you have to start the shipping details, so click on the resume button here after clicking the item, and now here you can add all the details, shipping details in the shipping details section, which is below the page. Now add the location, the weightage, and everything. And then after that, on the notifications bar, click on the paid ship now button. And now here ship to details and everything will be appearing. So here you can click on the printable label and then click on the purchase shipping label. By that you can purchase a shipping label for your customer. And that's how you can sell on eBay. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.